Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee 12 volt M12 multi-tool. It is the fuel version. Model number is 2526-20. And go ahead and, for the very beginning of this video, I'm going to start off by showing you how to put a blade on this, or even a sanding head would be the same thing. So you're going to find this little lever on the back here, and you're going to flip that up, and you're going to feel tension towards the top, and it actually goes a little bit past that. So from there, it feels like it's stopped, but if you push hard, it'll clip a little bit more up, and then you're going to be able to spin this because the tension is off of it on the front side here, and you'll spin that all the way out. And then underneath of that is teeth, and there's teeth here, and so your blade or sanding head or whatever you're putting on will drop down into those, and then this will thread back in, Once that threads down and it's snug, you'll flip this back over. When you push this back down, it's going to put tension back on this, so it won't move or anything, and your blade's going to be securely attached to the multi-tool. So from there, you're going to go ahead and make sure you have your battery in, which we do, and you have an on and an off button here. You also have a speed setting here, and it'll be obviously oscillating harder at the higher speeds. And so I'm going to turn it on and give you an idea of that. I love that about these tools, just changing the speed sounds like a little race car switching through gears or something. So that being said, I'm also going to go ahead and quickly demo this tool for you. These guys are great. They're literally like a butter knife for anything you can think of just about. They can do plunge cuts right into material. They can cut edges off things. They can slice baseboard sections out, a lot of things like that pretty commonly. And so that being said, I'm going to just go ahead and shave an angle off of this end here and show you that. So here we go. And then just like that, guys, you can do literally whatever you want. You can shave the other angle, the other end at an angle. And so as you can see, you can create some really unique shapes. And that is the M12 multi-tool. By the way, at the end of August, we will be giving away this entire set right here to a subscriber. That's an impact driver, a drill driver, an M18 battery, and a charger, and a bag to a subscriber. So if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any other future video ideas that you would like to see, don't hesitate to let us know. Do not forget to check out SpendLessStore.com, where we have all these awesome tools you see behind us, pre-tested and available for sale. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.